Grab a car, something practical.
Ooh! What the hell just happened?
Toy stores.
Toy stores what?
The supply closets are portal stations for the North Pole Field Network transit system. Car. I said practical.
Like what, a minivan? Who wants a practical Hot Wheels? Also, what difference does it make?
I gave you a directive.
A directive? Is that what you think is going on here?
I'm telling you now, you better listen to me because things are about to get real.